and 2. And here, that means you guys are going to be hitting heights of 125 feet, jumping down 118 after that first big hill, and going around 67 miles per hour.
Yeah! Boo! Losers.
You got that, huh?
Look at the bluesers. The bluesers. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's go. We can't even pass the puck yet. They're gonna go way ahead of us. Will we? I don't know. Yeah!
See, I told you you would catch him.
I don't know. I don't think we're going to. Now they're gonna go way ahead of us though.
It'll be fine.
That kid is scared.
Yeah!
Watch your head.
Yeah! Duck! Give it to us, Andrew! Oh, did you drop it?
No, I didn't,
No.
I didn't grab it.
Oh, we're gonna win!
Yeah, told you. Hey. Hey.
Yeah! Whoa! We won! You lose!
Finally, Trent, we wanted something.
Finally!
Also lost $1. Hang on.